Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave. This is GVA Ghettovanadventures, and I'm working on a Honda Accord. Turn the key, no power, and it's probably the main fuse. I'm going to show you where it is, how to replace it. Nothing. Okay, so we're facing the car. That's the front end of the car, looking at the engine. There's a fuse box right here. You gotta pop this open. I don't know if I can do it two hands or not. Yep, I can. And you just do it by pushing in these and these. Take it off. And there's your main fuse right there. Okay, it's held in by two screws. That's it right there. Okay, I'm gonna pull that out. Now there's two little tabs. See that little tab there? One on each side. Usually if you give it a little wiggle and a pull, there we go. Don't lose those screws. And let's take a look at this. Okay, and you just reverse it going in. You see that goes down in the slot there. You line everything up. Just push it in until it clips in. And it's in. Tighten the screws down. Don't over tighten them. I know what I'm doing here. Throw the cover back on. And let's see if it starts. Let's see what we got. Put the key in. Oh, we got something right away. I can tell. So there you go. All done. Well, that's it, guys. Pretty simple. Now, it can be a short that caused that. And it also can be when a person goes to jump it, they cross the terminals on the battery. Poof, goes the fuse. You can find them at Amazon. I think they're 15, 20 bucks, or at your parts store. It's a pretty simple fix. Now you know where it is, the location, easy to do. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and it helps you out.